All right. Well, clamped it down, and I got her pretty straight, not perfect, but straight enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plate on the bottom of this, drill the holes, make it go a little bit past. I'm going to have it drop just a little bit past that, a little bit there, just to give me a nice little weld edge. Put my plate on here. Then I'm going to plate this and box this in. That way and then I'll cut a little piece right there. So anyways, and I'm going to put one on this side because that way it'll match up. Notice this little crack right here, and that's what that deal is. It's a little walled out a little bit there. Nevertheless, I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Put a little piece of plate on there, then put an end cap on it. These are the only holes that matter. So that plate will only go to there. This is for the airbag. And I promise you this thing will not move again. Trying to find some steel. Found a piece of plate. And I drawed it out. One plate, two plates. I punch some holes in it, stick them in place, wall it up, put it back. Should be good to go. And I'll order some new airbags, put them on next week. Well, I think I'm pretty much done. Welded it on, got that block on there. That wasn't the bad side, this is the bad side. Looks a lot better now. Pretty straight too. But you see the plate I put on there, right? And then I put some washers on there and I welded them to it. So we got double holes. So I don't think that'll ever break again. Pretty sure it's there for good. Alright, we'll air this thing up and put tires on it. Whew, God damn, what a long day.